Hello, thank you for joining me in this lesson. In this lesson, my focus will be on installing a tool called the Claude Code extension, right? But Claude Code was developed specifically, is AI powered, right? Specifically for agentic development, right? So these are AI agents. And what AI agent does is, as you said, it understands prompts using natural language processing. So as you give it a task to carry out, it does exactly that. So by default, anti-gravity software does not come with the Claude Code extension. So you really have to install. Now, what are extensions? As you said, they extend the functionalities of a website. In anti-gravity, we have so many extensions you can download from this library. You just have to search for the particular extension you are looking for. For example, you are looking for Claude Code. Now go to the extension and just type Claude Code, and you see it here. It says Claude Code for Visual Studio, right? For Visual Studio. And that's basically what we are going to install. So you click on, as I said, VS Code is another IDE, but we don't have Claude Code developed specifically for anti-gravity. But then anti-gravity is also an IDE. I believe they have an API that connects all this. So as you said, you can have a quick look of what this thing does here. Some of the functions of this Claude Code. It says it uses latest Claude models using your Pro, Max, and Team or Enterprise subscription, or pay as you go. Now, when you signed up on Claude, I'll quickly open Claude, right? I think I'll quickly open Claude. Now, when you signed up on Claude website, you can see this plan that says free plan, and there's an option that says upgrade. So we have the Max, we have Pro, and the free version, right? So you can choose the latest Claude models, right, using any of the subscription that you have. As I always say, Claude is actually expensive. And if you really want to build standard products or websites, you need to have a subscription plan. You can go for the Pro or Max. Max is usually expensive. Well, I advise you choose the Pro version of it. That doesn't mean the free version won't give you something. It will give you something, but you really need to get a subscription plan for you to use this Claude Code, right? That's just what it is. But that's why Antigravity provided for us free Claude models, right, for us to use here for free. Now what we will just do here is we'll quickly install this. Just click on install. Once you install, wait for, okay, installation is complete. Now, if this is your first time, you'll be asked to link, connect to, you have to sign in, right? Just as we have here, I'm already logged into this account. So make sure your browser is currently active and you are logged into the Claude Code. Now, it's because I've already connected this to my account. So you can just click directly from here. So visit here and get the Claude Code, and it will automatically connect this Claude Code to your Claude AI account. Now, once that is done, let's close this. Let's close the extension box. You will see an icon that says Claude Code. Once you click on this, once you click on this Claude Code, click on this, you will see this button that says New Session. Click on New Session, and you have this field to build whatsoever thing you are building. Remember that you would have to create a folder and upload that folder to your anti-gravity. So that's a directory that you'll be working on. So right inside this, you can write your queries. Just type what you want to build here. So this is, I would like to build whatsoever, just write, just as we did in our previous lesson. And this Claude Code will build your website for you. Now, I would like to use the same prompt which we used in the previous AI agent provided by Antigravity. I want to test that on Claude Code. So I just click here and then send it. Let's see what and let's see how Claude Code is going to develop this site for us. So it says this page already exists that says hello, testing this. You can open it on your browser, blah blah blah. So let's click on yes. Now it's since we are still working in the same directory, it automatically captures the content of that folder to build for us this website. Now what we will do is to make some few changes to make a tweak to this. So I'll just click on this again, and then it says let me know if you like to make any changes to it. I would like to build it all over again from scratch. Oh, yes. Now, as you can see, this is a different version of it. It has gone ahead to build everything from scratch, but this time around, there are no colors, just hello testing vibe coding with a black background. Now you can see the difference. The AI agents provided by Antigravity and that of Claude Code have different intelligence. So that's why most times I usually or personally I combine these two when I'm building anything, building any product. So be it e-commerce website, I mean I make sure that I combine different tools, right? For me, I have a paid version of this product. I have a paid version for Claude. I also have a paid version of Antigravity software. Remember, it's linked to. Before I forget, there is something which I didn't mention. You need to connect your Antigravity software to a Google account. It's owned by Google, so you have to sign in. Don't forget, you have to sign in to your Google account for it to profile your information in the Antigravity software. I mean, all these changes, all the interactions are they need to be saved somewhere, right? So by signing in, it tracks for you your previous conversations, and you can always go back to it to make changes to them. So basically, we've seen how to install Claude Code to our Antigravity software. I mean the extension. So thank you for joining me. Super glad that you have followed me till this part of the lesson. I hope to see you in the next class.